So James Hardie is a fiber cement board. It's going to give you that natural wood look. It's got the wood grains in there. We can also go smooth if you prefer. This piece here is a 4-inch trim that actually measures at 3.5 inches. But with the fiber cement, it's going to give you a lot more sturdiness. Obviously, it's a lot stronger. It's a lot thicker. So your vinyl pieces are measured in millimeters. So it's super thin on the vinyl. And then the Hardie measures about 3/8 of an inch. So it's much thicker, much more durable. It's also can withstand hail. I wouldn't say it's hail proof, but it's hail resistant. And it actually resistant enough to the point where you can get a premium or a discount on your premium for insurance through most of the insurance companies. So the different styles here, this is a 6-inch or 7-inch exposure. They can go all the way down to a 4-inch exposure. Anytime you're going to the smaller exposures, it is going to cost more because you have more material and more labor as well. So this is our most popular, is this 7-inch. On the Statement Collection, there's about 20 different colors. The Dream Collection is going to add about 10, maybe 12. It's just maybe some more colors with some more pop or more zing. You can also have the option with Hardie to go primed color. And then obviously you can paint that with whatever color you prefer. Anytime you do that though, we do prefer, or we do recommend an elastomeric paint. Obviously it's got that elasticity to it, so it's going to expand and contract with the product. And it gives it a nice coat or a nice seal over the product as well.